Hello and welcome to International Animal Stories, where we take you on a journey into the wild to explore the fascinating lives of animals from around the world. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of one of nature's most clever and adaptable creatures, the fox. Foxes have captured human imagination for centuries. They are often portrayed as cunning tricksters in folklore and fairy tales, but in reality, these animals are intelligent, resourceful, and incredibly diverse. With over 30 species of foxes found across the globe, these fascinating creatures have adapted to almost every environment, from dense forests to icy tundras and even bustling cities. The most well-known species is the red fox. With its striking orange-red fur, bushy tail, and sharp features, the red fox is the most widespread species of fox, found across North America, Europe, Asia, and even parts of North Africa. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in rural landscapes as well as urban settings, where they've learned to coexist with humans. Foxes are part of the Canidae family, which means they are related to dogs, wolves, and coyotes. However, unlike their relatives, foxes are more solitary by nature. While wolves live and hunt in packs, foxes prefer to live alone or in small family groups. They are opportunistic omnivores, meaning they eat a variety of foods, including small mammals, birds, fruits, and even insects. In urban areas, they are known to scavenge from garbage bins, proving just how resourceful they are. One of the fox's most distinctive features is its incredible sense of hearing. A fox can hear a mouse moving under the snow from several feet away. This makes them excellent hunters, especially in winter when food is scarce. In snowy regions, they perform an impressive hunting technique known as mousing. They leap high into the air and dive nose first into the snow to catch their prey. Scientists believe they use Earth's magnetic field to help them pinpoint the exact location of their target, a skill that few animals possess. Despite their incredible adaptability, foxes face many challenges. Habitat destruction, hunting, and conflicts with humans pose significant threats to their populations. In some cultures, they are hunted for their fur, while in others, they are considered pests. However, in many places, conservation efforts are helping to protect these remarkable creatures and their habitats. Foxes are also known for their unique vocalizations. They can produce a wide range of sounds, including barks, screams, and yelps. One of the most famous fox calls is the eerie scream that sounds almost like a person crying out. This scream is often heard during mating season, when foxes communicate with potential mates or warn rivals to stay away. One of the most fascinating aspects of fox behavior is their parenting. Unlike some wild animals, foxes are caring and attentive parents. A mother fox, called a vixen, will raise her cubs in a den, feeding and protecting them until they are old enough to venture out on their own. The father fox, known as a tod, also plays an active role in providing food and watching over the young. Fox cubs are playful and curious, often seen pouncing and chasing each other as they develop the skills they'll need to survive in the wild. Foxes are not just creatures of the wild. They have also found their way into myths, legends, and popular culture. In Japanese folklore, foxes, known as kitsune, are believed to have magical abilities, including the power to shapeshift into humans. In European fairy tales, they are often portrayed as clever tricksters who use their intelligence to outwit others. Even in modern times, foxes continue to captivate us, appearing in books, movies, and even viral internet videos. One of the reasons people find foxes so enchanting is their beautiful appearance. Their thick fur varies in color depending on the species and environment. While the red fox is the most common, there are also Arctic foxes, which change color with the seasons, turning white in winter for camouflage, and the fennec fox, a small desert fox with enormous ears that help it stay cool in the scorching heat. Speaking of fennec foxes, this tiny fox is one of the most unique members of the fox family. Native to the Sahara Desert, Fennec foxes have large ears that help them detect prey underground and also dissipate heat to keep them cool. Their fur-covered feet protect them from the hot desert sand, allowing them to move effortlessly in their harsh environment. Despite their small size, fennec foxes are fierce hunters, feeding on insects, small rodents, and fruits. The Arctic fox, on the other hand, is a master of survival in freezing temperatures. Found in the Arctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia, these foxes have thick fur that provides insulation against the cold. Their compact body shape, small ears, and short snout help minimize heat loss. During winter, their fur turns pure white, blending perfectly with the snowy landscape, and in summer, it changes to a brown or grayish color to match the rocky tundra. Foxes are also known for their playful nature. Even in the wild, they are often seen playing with objects like sticks and leaves, much like a dog would. Young foxes, in particular, engage in play to develop their hunting and survival skills. Their playful behavior is another reason why they are so endearing to people. Interestingly, some foxes have even been domesticated. In Russia, scientists have conducted experiments on breeding tame foxes, selecting the friendliest individuals over generations. The result is a fox that behaves more like a dog, showing affection towards humans and wagging its tail in excitement. However, domesticated foxes are still quite rare and require specialized care. Despite their cunning reputation, foxes are vital to their ecosystems. As predators, they help control populations of rodents and other small animals. In some areas, they also play a role in seed dispersal, as they eat fruits and berries and later spread the seeds through their droppings. This helps maintain a balanced environment and promotes plant growth. So, why are foxes so special? Perhaps it's their intelligence, their adaptability, or their striking beauty. Or maybe it's the way they continue to thrive in a world that is constantly changing. Whether they are hunting in the snowy wilderness, trotting through a moonlit field, or navigating the back alleys of a busy city, foxes remind us of the wild spirit that still exists all around us. That's all for today's episode of International Animal Stories. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of foxes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing animal stories. Let us know in the comments which animal you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep appreciating the incredible wildlife that shares our planet.